What's up, too? So dope checking in. Uh, I'm in the Fort Worth, Dallas, Texas area today, and we finna be going up in here to this little gun range, man. They let you shoot machine guns. I'm excited about that. It's gonna be my first time, and I got my big cousin pulling up on me too. He just pulled up, look like it. He just pulled up in the black Charger. We finna shoot up in here and see what's to it. Okay, now as y'all can see, this place has a shit ton of machine guns, and I'm gonna try to give y'all a view of it. I can't get all their guns on camera today because they was in there tripping, but I'm gonna give y'all what I could get just this little bit. But they got some beautiful machine guns. And me and my cousin decided to go with shooting the FN Scar and the FN P90. He chose the Scar because he knew something about it that I didn't know, and I chose the FN P90 because I remember shooting that bad boy on Resident Evil. Any of my Resident Evil fans, they know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I hope y'all like this little snippet of these guns. So now it's safety. Full auto.
Single.
Single auto. Fully automatic. We're going single first, y'all. It's on safety now, right? Pull it up, that's one.
Yep. You do this.
Yep.
One.
Yep.
Single.
Auto. We're going single. You're not empty. I had to talk shit. I had to make talk shit.